Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is psychology for nurses, and today's concept is attitude. Now, attitude means what do you feel about something? Attitude means maybe like what do you feel about someone? Your behavior, your response towards something or someone is called attitude. Now, if you define like an attitude is a learned predisposition to react in persistent or characteristic manner to some situation, object, material or individual. That's what called attitude. That's what I said. No, your persistent behavior, the way you feel and think about an individual person, material, and towards that, how do you behave? That is called attitude. Now, next is characteristic of attitude. Attitude is innate. Attitude is not by birth. No one born with the attitude. Attitude is a learned behavior. You will learn the attitude depending on your perception, your family background, your mass media, friends. Attitude is a learned behavior. Attitude can be good or bad. Either you have a positive attitude and negative attitude. And attitude may range from strongly positive to strongly negative. So definitely now you can see a broad range of this attitude. Some may have a very strong attitude towards some matter. Meantime, the other person may have a very strong negative attitude towards the same matter. So it's range from strongly positive to strongly negative. Attitude is influenced. Now your attitude influenced by any person, your parents, your school, or a mass media, or any leading actor, your hero, heroine, whom do you follow? Because of them your attitude may be changed. And one more thing is attitude can be changed. It doesn't mean that you just cannot change your attitude. Definitely you can change the attitude. Now attitude is by experience. Now some of your life experience may made you to develop such attitude. Now for example, like if you see like Pakistan had a war attack, yeah, they did some terrorist attack on India, then definitely we develop a experience, we develop a very bad experience, and our attitude towards Pakistan will go bad. We all say that Pakistan is a terrorist country. See, this is based on your experience. You experienced something bad, and based on that you had changed, you had developed this attitude. So this is about a characteristic of attitude. Next is how do you develop this attitude? It is very important. How do you develop? Environment, the way you born and brought up, that also has got a little influence on your environment, little influence on your attitude. Now for example, maybe in a family where father is taking alcohol, then the son feel it is accepted, a males can have a alcohol, there is no harm in that. See, your environment, the environment where you're born, that has influenced your attitude. Now so you're developing a positive attitude, for kind of attitude towards consumption of alcohol. Family, a good family system will mold the attitude of an individual. Good parenting, a good bond between the parent and children, and well organized family will develop a good attitude in an individual or in a child. At the same time, if a parent has got a bad attitude, a broken family system, no love and care in the family, rejected child, such children may develop negative attitude or bad attitude. Your school teacher, your classmates, your friends, certain rules and regulation what you followed in the school norms will develop an attitude in a child or in an individual. If you studied in a good school with a good teacher, good environment, good classmate, good friends, then definitely you will develop a good attitude. Same time, if your experience is bad in case of school, then you will develop this negative attitude. Peers, friends, your siblings. See, the relation what you have with your friends, your peers, your brother and sister, your siblings, then that will form an attitude in an individual. If you have a sharing, caring relationship, you are happy to help each other, you are understanding each other, there is a mutual trust and understanding, love and care, then definitely a individual, the child will develop a good attitude towards the relationship, or they will develop a positive attitude towards life. But in case if you are finding everything wrong, no good understanding, no good friends, your friends are with some bad background, criminal activities, no siblings, you don't have anyone in your family to say that yes, this is my sister, this is my brother, you don't have anyone. In that case, that particular person, your child may develop negative attitude. Next is mass media, newspaper, TV, radio, magazines, what do you read, your social media, social network, that may give you certain information and your behavior is influenced because of that information. See, now that it will help you to develop your attitude. Now for example, we can see, maybe you're watching a film, maybe you may have your favorite hero, your heroine, actor, lead actor, and where a hero is smoking when he is under influence of some stress, he has to fight with the villain and he is planning, he's getting that stress and he's smoking. See, and your behavior is influenced with the behavior of your hero. See, this is how media is molding your attitude. Now definitely individual can have a right and wrong attitude with the influence of medias. Then your life experience, whatever in each phase or each growing phase, your experience will be different. Now that experience will help you to develop certain attitudes. That experience, based on that, maybe you see from the childhood you got a very rude teachers, you always got punishment even after doing your work, even after getting good marks in your class, you always got a beating, scolding from your teacher, then definitely your attitude will turn negative towards all the teacher. Maybe even you go to the college where you may really find excellent teacher, your concept is same, these teachers are very bad, they will just punish without reason. See, this because of your experience, this because of life, what experience you gone through, that made your attitude. Now these all are the factors which form your attitudes. Now how you can change attitude? Definitely, as how I said, it doesn't mean that you cannot change your attitude. Definitely you can change your attitude. Now how? Maybe a communication, you require to have a good communication system where someone can tell and explain you that what attitude you got is wrong, so you need to change your attitude, so that may help you. And attitude because of your world experience, when you got experience, a different experience in your work experience, your professional experience, or your life experience, now that will help you to change your attitude, so that you will be more polite, you will be more patient, and you are more strong to face any kind of life situations. Then any informations, you're having a new information about the matter, that will help you to change your attitude. I'll give you an example here. For example, now you were using a plain salt, always you are using a plain salt to prepare any food, but you got a latest information that iodized salt is better for health, so that it help you to prevent from certain diseases. Now you're changing that attitude, you are changing this plain salt to iodized salt. See, you got a new information and that information help you to change your attitude. Then a change of perception. See, you have your own perception about some material, something, some beliefs. Now when you are changing your perception, when you understand the matter, when you realize the fact, then when you change your perception, automatically your attitude will change, your behavior will change. Definitely mass media also. Now mass media will help us to change the attitude. You are getting the latest information, update matters, you are able to dig the matter and go and find the truth. The media will help you, and that will help you to change your attitude. Now as how I said, attitude nothing but your feeling, your behavior. I would like to give you a better example here, just to understand overall about your attitude. Now see, a individual, the way, like you are the nurse, you are going to treat a patient. Now when you meet a old age patient, your attitude is different, and you may behave differently when you treat a small child, and meantime you may behave in a different way when you treat the patient with a major illness, and your attitude is different when you treat the patient with a minor illness. Now see, in all the different concept, you behave in a different way. It's purely based on the perception what you got about old age people, children, major illness and the minor illness. See, this is what called attitude, your behavior, the way you pursue, the way you behave. So this is all about attitude. I hope you understood. I'm going to summarize. We learned about attitude. Attitude is nothing but what you feel and pursue. Attitude is a learned behavior. It is a learned predisposition to react to the situation in a persistent characteristic manner, any situation, any objective, even any person. Attitude, characteristic of attitude is learned, it's an innate behavior, it's because of world experience, it is because of influence of mass media. And the factors which help you to develop attitude is family, school, social cultural factors, religious beliefs, social medias, friends, and the way you change your attitude because of school, family, friends, communication, life experience. These all things will help you to change your attitude. I hope you understood. Please keep reading, keep watching. I'll see you in the next class with a new topic. Until then, take care of yourself and keep reading. Thank you.